Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G30 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So firstly, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer, and right now we have to find the contact you would like to edit. Let's tap on it and simply tap on edit contact. Right now let's tap on this camera icon, and as you can see here we've got two different options from which we can choose. We can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, so this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, or simply we can choose a photo from the gallery. So obviously I will pick to choose a photo and find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. And as you can see, and just tap on OK. As you can see, from this step we can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to this we can change the position of the photo and decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because the square is responsible for it. So just position it like you want, you would like to. Here you can also rotate the picture so you can adjust it. If you are done, if you are happy with your choice, just tap on done. Remember to tap on save. And as you can see, it immediately appears on the contact. After getting back, we can also see it on the contact list, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Motorola Moto G30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.